You know how sometimes you just have one of the weeks where nothing seems to be going to plan. You've tried your hardest, you feel like you've worked and worked and worked, but nothing really pays off. So we've had a bit of a week like that. We got the alpha stripped, the head went away to get pressure tested and skimmed. I got that back on Friday, but we can't get the head gasket till Monday, so I couldn't finish that. I've managed to get half a video filmed on the £250 Ford Focus, but then the weather stopped that. I've done half of the rear axle bushes and I've not managed to get the other half done yet. And then I got a message about the Mini. Somebody wanted to come and see the Mini, so I rushed about and I got that cleaned, and they didn't turn up. But then all of a sudden on Saturday night I got another message of a guy who was really desperate for the car, decided that he wanted to come and see it at 9 o'clock on Sunday morning. So I got that done, got up really early, got it cleaned. Sorry if you can hear the wind noise, by the way, it's a bit windy here. So he turns up at 9:30, he's happy with the car, he takes the car away at full asking price, no quibbles, no problems at all. And that left me with nothing to drive, because the Focus is on axle stands half stripped, the Alpha's on axle stands half stripped, and of course the Lupo's in the garage. It doesn't work either, it's not even got a running engine in it at the moment, no MOT, no nothing. So my plan was to really batter in and see if I can find a car, view a car, and buy something today to get back up and running, something that we can use for picking up parts, and nothing was really happening. I spent all day in front of the computer, people would ignore me, people would message me back and then no get back to you again, and it's like, well, do you want to sell your car or no? And it got to about 6 o'clock at night and I just thought, nothing's going to happen, I'm going to have to pick this up again tomorrow, we're not going to have a video for tonight. And then at 8 o'clock it all kind of fell into place, and it's 9:30 now. I'm just about to go and give the new whip a quick wash. We're not going to flip it, it's not a flogger, it's a keeper for us. We're going to use it for the channel, for running about picking up parts and doing bits and bobs. So without further ado, here's the new whip. Guys, check this out. First drive in the new car, it's got a boost gauge. Drop in the comments what you think it is. But it runs about 14 bar boost at full throttle. So drop it in the comments, tell us what you think it is. What do you think of your new van?
It's immaculate.
It's far from immaculate, but it will be one day.
One day.
So that's it, guys. Sorry it's late, but we didn't actually think we were going to get an upload today, because nothing was going to plan, but then it did. So that's the new van. We've got some plans for it. It's going to need a little bit of TLC, bit of machine polishing, a few other wee bits and bobs, but this is going to be our new van for collecting parts and picking up cars and all sorts of other stuff. So thanks again, guys. Sorry it's a late one, and we'll see you next week.